Hello there and welcome. This is a community built for one purpose and one purpose only. Give you a powerful digital marketing toolbox so you can attract more clients, book more jobs, and grow your business on your own terms. We're not about fluff or complicated jargon. We're about practical, actionable strategies for property maintenance professionals who want to master their marketing. Inside, you'll find the complete blueprint to go from chasing leads to having a predictable flow of new customers. Hi there, and welcome. This is Robbie Griffiths here at the Maintenance Marketers new school website and training course. And this is for property maintenance professionals that are tired of the old way of doing things. Is that you? Tired of chasing leads? What if you could build a system that works for you, attracting new clients on autopilot? That's exactly what this community is all about. Welcome to the Maintenance Marketers Digital Strategies for Property Pros. Easy for me to say. This is not just another group, it's your new digital toolbox. Inside, we're going to give you the blueprint to master your marketing. Whether you want to do it yourself, train your team, or have us handle it for you, we'll cut through the noise and give you the proven strategies needed to grow your business. So where do we begin? Best place to start is in our classroom section. I've already laid out the first training module called the Website Blueprint, and this is the foundation of everything we'll do here. We walk you through how to build a professional website that works as your 24/7 sales tool so you can stop leaving money on the table. And if you've already got a website in place, we will provide you checklists and templates and softwares that will get your old dusty site turning out highly qualified and ready to buy leads, even as you sleep. And that's just the beginning. The classroom will be packed full of training courses on everything you need, from setting up automated email marketing campaigns to mastering social media and even running your first profitable paid ads. Every single lesson is designed to be simple, actionable, and directly relevant to your business. I'll be in here every day to answer your questions and help you troubleshoot. Plus, we've got a weekly live sessions and exclusive giveaways like templates and other cheat sheets to help you move faster. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, click the button to join the community. The training is ready for you right now. Come on in, introduce yourself in the main feed, and let's get you on the path to a full calendar and a thriving business. Can't wait to see you inside the Maintenance Marketers. So, introducing the new system for unlocking the secrets of successful property maintenance marketing, the Maintenance Marketer digital strategies for property maintenance professionals. Join us to explore innovative strategies and tools for property marketing success. So that's me there, Robbie Griffiths. I'm from Fife in Scotland, and I've been doing digital marketing for about 15 years. So I kind of know what I'm doing. I've run my own digital marketing agency since 2011, and I live, sleep, and breathe this stuff. So your path to success is in the property maintenance marketing. At the maintenance marketers, we offer essential digital strategies tailored for property professionals, specifically in the maintenance department. Our community is focused on growth, sharing insights, and providing the tools you need to succeed in the competitive property maintenance market. So there's community benefits overview. We'll have strong connections. We'll be cultivating relationships with industry professionals. Building networks helps you gain valuable insights from your peers. Um, Resource sharing will be access. You'll be able to access tools and information for success. We'll be sharing weekly, almost daily, resources that will empower everyone to enhance their digital marketing skills effectively. Continuous learning, so it's ongoing things, staying updated with industry trends and practices. Ongoing education ensures you remain competitive and informed in the market. Your learning environment, explore our interactive and engaging classroom experience anytime, anywhere. You can actually download the mobile app. There will be more on that inside. Our classroom section offers a supportive, interactive environment where you can connect with peers and the instructors, such as myself, even when you're out and about. Enjoy a variety of learning materials and resources designed to help you succeed in mastering essential digital marketing strategies for property maintenance professionals. So the main sort of flagship module is the website blueprint. So don't worry if you've already got a website, we can show you how to improve that dramatically and get more leads for you for your business coming in. So step one, establishing your online identity effectively. A strong online identity is essential for attracting clients. So step two, crafting engaging content for your audience. Quality content keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to take action. Step three, optimizing for search engines to enhance visibility. Search engine optimization is key to driving more organic traffic. A lot of people out there seem to think that all they need is a Facebook page these days, but I myself have been slapped by Facebook. I had a Facebook business page for about 10 years. I had about 3,500 followers on there, and Facebook just decided that they wanted to close it down one day. So that was me kind of up shit creek without a paddle, so to speak. So having your own website is pretty much essential because you can't really take your website away from you unless you've done something really really bad. But yeah, Facebook and other social media sites can move the goalposts whenever they like and just take your stuff away from you without even explaining why. So step four, implementing analytics and adjustments for continuous improvements. Regular analysis helps refine strategies and improve results. So other training courses that we'll offer is effective email marketing strategies. Learn to craft compelling emails that drive higher engagement and conversion rates while maintaining a strong relationship with your audience. Dynamic social media strategies. Discover how to create impactful content that resonates with the target audience, boosts engagement, and enhances brand visibility across all your social media platforms. Mastering paid advertising techniques. Create targeted ad campaigns for optimal performance, analyze metrics to improve ROI, return on investment consistently, utilize A/B testing to refine your ads. So we're going to offer ongoing support and engagement essentials. The ongoing support for your success or dedicated team is available to provide personalized assistance tailored to your unique needs, ensuring you're never alone on your journey. Man, worse than doing things on your own, eh? Engaging live session opportunities, participate in interactive discussions designed to deepen your understanding and application of the strategies you will learn. Comprehensive resources for growth, access, exclusive training materials, everything will be recorded, noted down, and what have you. Every day I see new things that I like to add to the site and to the training. So it's going to be an ongoing thing, which I'm really, really excited about. And networking with experts and other fellow property maintenance marketers is another key factor in this community, and continuous updates on industry trends. So that's me there, Robbie Griffiths, and I am the founder and CEO, or whatever you like to call it, the originator of the maintenance marketers. So my plan is to empower property maintenance professionals with the key to unlocking their success in digital marketing and community growth. So if you want to get in touch, we are here to provide additional information and support for your success. There's my direct mobile number, UK mobile number. You can hit me up on WhatsApp if you like. And there's my email and my website, which I haven't even started setting up yet. That's what I'm going to do during the training. So see you there. Thanks for watching.